Hello world, it's Toxic Shadow, and today I'm playing Minecraft. So, apparently it's uninflammable. It's last episode I installed no creatures, and it did work. So it's good. There's a window control down the windows downstairs, so some you might hear like a hammer or something. They're kind of opening the trees around the windows or whatever they're called. Not sure. Oh, come on. Break the word. It's getting a little bit. There we go. No sheep. Oh, sheep. I did not see that bear. No. It's spawning baby. Let me go at my house and I'll find some. I like how it just didn't even touch my house. Let's just stick that on there real quick. Oh, pretty! Yeah, cheese. Cheese quite a bit. Let's find some more interesting animals. And yes, all the animals have audio for the creatures. There's a dove. It's just a white bird. It makes a different sound. It's kind of bear. Maybe even a polar bear. Maybe a tiger. Maybe not a tiger, a lion. Even a dolphin. Or a shark. Or a fox. Yeah. Give me your level. Hello, Foxy. I love you. We have the guy. Holy crap! Just quite a bit of damage. I forgot about that. Hello, birdie. I'm gonna kill you. Because the birdies don't attack you. It was really funny. The dolphin and the bear were taking it out in a different way. And the dolphin killed the bear. Excuse. Okay, let's get the seeds in my inventory. This is really cool. Okay, this is the actually a group of birds will be better. The she and this does. Where's a bird? Yeah, let's find a polar bear. Oh, a lion! Yay! We don't want to get in a fight with the lion. It's coming. Come on. We don't want to fight with the lion when we want a stone sword. So you might want to stay away from them because they attack you very easily. Oh, and there's a boar. Okay. Oh, a horse. Hey there. The boar. Hey, come here, come here, come here. Over here. Over here. Holy crap. Get away. Forget what balls give you. Give me whatever you give me. Pork chop. You always give me pork chop. There's a horse here. I don't have a horse saddle. Do I have iron? I have iron. You have an idea. I can have a horse saddle on the spot. Let's put the crafting bench down. Okay, let's make a furnace. There we go. Okay. Let's put the little things down. Let's get that. Hold on. I think I need one more baby. Crap. Also, there's bunnies. Need one leather. Ooh, a cow. No, not nighttime. I'm not over. Come on, cows. We have your leather. I'm just gonna kill this horse. Dad! I said dad! No, nay, nay. Give me your leather. Thank you. Actually, I'm just gonna make a horse saddle right now. It's getting dark. I won't have time to tame a horse and actually ride it back. What is up, horse? By the way, where's Bunny? Where's Bunny? Where's Bunny? Yay! Look at me. I got a bunny on my head. You go in under 2 for the bunny to survive on your head, you have to have a 3 block vertical gap. Yeah. Oh crap. Sup, creeper? Holy crap, there's a lot of them. Get away. Get away. Ooh, there's a wolf. Ooh. There's a wolf and I'm not liking it. I'm hearing it, but I don't know what it is. Yeah. Ah, there's a wolf. There's a wolf right there. I don't like it. Let's get away. Let's get in my house. I don't want you attacking me. Get in. Oh, the bunny died. Nope, it didn't. Or you can just crouch. Yay! So fun. Let's get my crafting table. This is how you make a horse out of a crafting table. You take leather, you make it in a helmet formation. You take iron ingots and put them right there. And you have yourself a horse saddle. It only goes on horses. Hey, I got too excited. What happened to the bunny? Where did they spawn? Well, goodbye, YouTube. Next time I will show you some more low creature stuff, including taming a dolphin, maybe taming a horse, definitely, and showing you what happens when birds meet seals. Maybe an epic wrestle with a bear. I don't know, because my guy is Bear Grylls. Goodbye, YouTube.